here we have the Leaf Bass2 headphones. Now these are kind of over the ear budget wireless Bluetooth headphones come in the bass heavy side. Now if you're a person who like to listen up music with heavy bass, then definitely go with these headphones. Also they will get the fast wireless charging which promise to give you 4 hours of continuous playback with 20 minutes of charge, which is incredible at this price bracket. Now also they will get the compatibility with iOS and Android devices. However, the Leaf Bass2 come in the premium wireless Bluetooth headphone category, but this is much more affordable. Also on the back side of the box there you get all the information and specification about these headphones, and the pricing mentioned on the box is 2499 rupees, but you can get these headphones around 1799 rupees on Amazon, Flipkart and also the Leaf official website, so just go and check them out. Now these pair of headphones crafted in India, so these are much more affordable in compared to other brands. In terms of packaging, this is pretty simple. There you get the user manual which also includes the contact information for Leaf Studios. Now they are making good audio products from past 3 years and much affordable pricing, so definitely check them out. Also they will get a greeting card, just write it down why you like the Leaf Bass2 headphones and post it on Instagram, and you can get 20% off on your next purchase. They also get the warranty registration card, the aux cable and the USB 2.0 charging cable. Now coming back to the headphones, in terms of build quality, these are made out of plastic. However, at the first glance you can say that these are looking pretty premium with a glossy finish, and these are much more lightweight and flexible to use. On each side of the cup there you get the Leaf branding on top with a glossy kind of finish in black color. On the top of the headband there you get the Leaf branding. Also they will get a soft cushion padding on top of the headband for more comfortable uses. I'm using these headphones for past 48 hours and I have no complaints about the comfortable use for long gaming sessions. I'm playing PUBG for last few hours and this is pretty much comfortable. I have no complaints about the build quality, and also they will get the adjustable cups. Also on top of the cups they will find the soft cushion padding as like the headband, and they will get the left and right indication on top. Now on the right hand side cup there you find the power button, the volume rockers for adjusting the volume and turning on and off the power button. On the bottom portion there you find the notification LED, USB 2.0 charging port, 3.5mm headphone jack and the primary microphone for calling purpose. So in terms of build, I'm giving 8 out of 10 for the Leaf Bass2 headphones. Now in order to connect these headphones to your smartphone or laptop, just press and hold the power button present on the right ear cups on the headphones, and then you find the notification LED blinking on the headphones. Just move into your smartphone or laptop you have, connect the Bass2 earphones. Once you pair it with your smartphone, next time you turn on the Bluetooth, it will auto detect the headphones and connect it successfully. Also you can see how much battery left on the headphones, and you can charge these headphones with the included USB 2.0 charging cable. Once you connected these headphones to your smartphone successfully, just tap once the power button to play or pause the music, and also you can adjust the volume by tapping on the plus and minus volume keys. Now the audio you hear from the headphones itself, and these are pretty clear and rich. There is no audio distortion on maximum volume, and also the button feedback is really great. To change the track, just press and hold the plus volume key to jump into the next track, and press and hold the minus volume key to go back to the previous track. In terms of usage, this is pretty user friendly and the buttons are pretty tactile. I have no complaints for these headphones. The sound quality is rich, so if you like bass heavy music, then definitely go with the Leaf Bass2 headphones. Also you can accept and reject calls by tapping once the power button, which is pretty user friendly. And because of soft cushion padding on top of the ear cups and the headband, this is pretty much comfortable for long term of uses. I have no complaints for the sound as well. The sound is clear, and as I like bass heavy music, so this is perfect for my uses. I play PUBG a lot on these headphones. I find some audio lag, but for that reason you get the aux cable input. So use this 3.5mm headphone jack if you want a better gaming experience with these bass heavy headphones called Leaf Bass2. So in terms of build and in terms of sound quality, I'm pretty impressed with these headphones. Now coming to conclusion, these pair of headphones, the Leaf Bass2, now these are perfect for those people who like to listen up music with rich bass effect, and also the best battery life you can get under 2000 rupees. Now previously I used a lot of headphones, but after using the Leaf Bass2 for 48 hours, I can assure you, this is the perfect and the best Bluetooth headphone which are bass heavy, and also the battery life is amazing. I'm getting around 14 plus hours of battery life with continuous usage on my phone, and also these are perfect. If you run out of battery, just use the aux cable input and use the 3.5mm headphone jack on a smartphone to get the best audio. All thanks to Leaf for sending this for review purpose, and I'm loving these headphones as I like to listen up music with bass heavy, and also the battery life is amazing here. I never expected that much of good battery life, and also the read sound from a Bluetooth headphone. This is unbelievable. This is pretty lightweight, comfortable because of the foam, so definitely you can use this for gaming sessions with the aux cable input. So definitely this is the perfect headphone you can get in 2000 rupees if you like the bass effect really. Now if you want to try one, I'm dropping all the purchasing links in the description box. These are available on Amazon, Flipkart, and also on the Leaf official website. So just go down below and grab one for yourself. Now if you like this video, you know what to do. Just place a like, subscribe to the channel for more awesome contents. Also there are many more giveaways coming after this, so stay tuned for those. And also if you want to follow me on Facebook, Instagram or Twitter, links given in the description box. So guys, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.